Hello students, today I am here again with the next video on computer networks 2. Today I'll discuss with you about the protocols used on a network. The first protocol that we'll talk about is the most common protocol known by you all is HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Before going in HTTP, we must know what is hypertext. All the text that is transferring over internet in the form of videos, text, messages, that hyperlinks, they all are considered to be hypertext. And for transferring these content to your from web server to your web browser, HTTP protocol is used. That is why you must have seen जब भी आप कोई वेबसाइट का नाम लिखते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली देयर इज HTTP then slash then www.google.com or yahoo.com. That means you are requesting HTTP to ask web browser to transfer the content. Means www is requesting, so the content which is being transferred is with the help of this protocol. Sometimes you have seen there is HTTPS also written. That means this is the more secure version of using HTTP. So what is HTTP? It is a set of requests from browser to the server. It is a set of responses going back to the other way. That means when browser is requesting to the servers, taking the things from the servers, coming back to the web browsers. It is also responsible for connecting to existing resources, reading the web pages, reading the headers, what kind of web page it is, what header it is using, which type of script it is using. So ये सारी चीज़ें HTTP is encountering all those things. The second protocol, that is FTP, File Transfer Protocol. As the name suggests, this protocol is responsible for the transferring of files over internet. The files that we are sharing is with the help of File Transfer Protocol. It is a standard protocol for the exchange of files across internet. For sharing information on internet, FTP is used. FTP is also the name of a program or a command, that when we are using FTP, that means we are commanding that particular website to transfer these files on internet. Some of the time when there is no hypertext content on the file, and then FTP protocol is also seen at the place of HTTP when you are opening some websites. Then another is POP, that is Post Office Protocol. Right now we are using POP3 mostly, that is Post Office Protocol version 3. What is a Post Office Protocol? It defines the rules of receiving emails from a network server to a local client's email client. That means if you have sent email to someone, if someone has sent you an email, then if you have viewed the email, downloaded it, you can also view that email afterwards, even if you are online, if once you have downloaded it. This is done with the help of Post Office Protocol, POP. Then the another protocol that is used is IMAP. IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. This is also used in conjunction with POP3. That means where POP3 is used, it is used side by side with POP3 only. It helps you to access a remote web browser and download them on a local client. The same work that is done by POP is done by IMAP. The only difference between POP3 and IMAP is that it is used to access only on a single platform, but IMAP can also be used on multiple applications for accessing the email. That means that same email can be accessed by multiple applications, downloaded ones, and can be viewed at other places also. Another protocol is SMTP. It stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This protocol is helpful for sending, not helpful, because protocols, they are working at the back end and they are working as soon as we start any work. So when we are sending a mail across internet, the SMTP starts its work. So it stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Another is the most common protocols used nowadays is Voice over Internet Protocol. It enables the voice communication over internet. It allows the transmission of voice along with other data over the same packet switched network. The most common example, if I'll write, you'll understand all those things: Skype, WhatsApp, all the voice calling that we are doing on internet, it is with the help of voice. अब आपको पता है that on Skype we are not only just making video calls and phone calls, but we are also sharing the data at the same time on the same network. So VoIP is a protocol that is responsible for all those voice calls and audio calls over the network. NFSC, it is a near field communication. It provides short-range wireless connectivity between two electronic devices that are within the distance of 4 to 5 centimeter. It is more secure. It does not require any other setup. Only NFC has to be on in both the phones, and they must be very nearby to make the connection, and then only the data can be transferred. So that means it is the most secure, as the connecting devices are very near to each other, but again it is a wireless connection. Thank you so much. I'll come up with the next video on the next topic. Thank you.